This is my BMW 507. This car isn't just a machine to me, but now it's like this. This legend spent years in my garage. Its condition is bad. I will fix it from every corner. The rusted frame is stripped down, and the artistry of restoration begins. Restoring a car like this isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about honoring its legacy. We started by stripping it down to its bare frame, revealing decades of wear and tear. Every piece told a story, some of neglect, but others of the adventures it had been through. Finding original parts was like hunting for treasure. This car isn't just metal and rubber, it's memories, history, and craftsmanship rolled into one. Every detail, from the polished chrome to the smooth leather seats, brings me closer to the dream I've carried for so long. And now, as this BMW 507 rolls off the restoration floor, it's a living piece of art, a legend reborn. Subscribe.